Hey. Hey, little girl. You're so pretty. Those teeth bothering you. Calvin, go see her. She wants to see you. Hi. Oh. Go see Ellie. Go see that little girl over there. Poor little teeth. Such a big job getting those teeth to come in. Ellie. Hey. Hey, Ellie.